Uh, okay, guys. This is about SAP FICO HANA interview mock test. So far, we have taken up to 3 mock interviews from this batch. Today, we have one more guy. He is demonstrate and he is already prepared. So we'll discuss right away. Hi, how are you?
Yes, sir. Thank you. I'm good, sir. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm good. So which batch are you from?
46 best.
46. So training is finished up or still it is there?
Still ending, sir. Still going on.
Still going on. Okay.
Yes.
So when the batch was started?
On December 28th, sir.
December
Last year.
28 December.
Yes, sir. Last year, 2022.
Okay, almost 5 months.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So let's discuss on the SAP FICO HANA interview questions. Okay, so tell me, Mr. Manju, what kind of roles and responsibilities that you handle in the current company, and also tell about yourself.
Okay, so sure, sir. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So first of all, I would like to say thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce about myself. So my name is Manju. So total, I'm having 4.5 years of experience as a SAP FICO consultant in ABC company, which is located in Bangalore. So during my tenure, so I involved in 2 implementation projects and 2 support projects. So coming to my roles and responsibilities, so during my implementation project, so I involved mainly in realization phase. So in the realization phase, I configured basic settings like enterprise structure creation, uh, company global settings creation, AP, AR, GL settings creation, withholding tax, DME, IDOC, etc. So coming to my support project, so during my project, when I was in support project, so I have resolved mainly P3, P4 tickets, so within the time limits. In addition to, I was giving the best assistance to my end users whenever they are unable to, whenever they face any issues. And moreover, so I was preparing reports and records, and those reports and records submit to the my end users respective TLs and project managers. So this is about myself.
Okay, great to know about your introduction. Okay, so could you please tell me what kind of tickets that you handle in your support project?
So mainly I resolve P3 and P4 tickets, sir.
Okay, like in SAP FI MM and FI HD point of view. So what kind of tickets you dealt during the support project and you?
So that's what I'm doing, sir. So in the support project, I resolve mainly P3 and P4 tickets, sir, within the time limit.
Yeah, that's fine. Just tell me that example, right? You handled the P3 ticket. Okay, tell me what is that issue?
Issues, sir.
Tell me in
Is
SAP FI or SAP FI to SD integration issues.
integration issues, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, mainly account details issues, sir, in Gobi basis.
Okay. Like, give me an example.
So if you forgot to the queue the like account key, respect to account key. Okay,
Mhm.
I use T code Gobi basis and configured in Gobi basis settings.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, so billing document has not been generated. This is one error in SAP FI to SD. So tell me what
Okay,
could be the reasons?
building document. Like so if document is not get generated, so that main reason would this tax GST calculations and the tax calculations, sir.
Okay.
The main issue.
Any
So
other?
that we need to currently I'm not recall, sir. That main issue is the tax related issue, sir. GST and
Mhm.
in OB40. So that we need to configure in OB40, and moreover, we need to configure.
OB-wise, no. FIDMM OB-wise related, right?
Sorry.
So I'm asking FID-SD only. Billing document has not been generated.
Billing document. And OBBG, sir. OBBG. So we need to assign the candidate tax coding course.
Okay. OBBG is already. Okay, that's fine. But so, is there any VKY settings? GL accounts are not determined. Like some of the factors, right? So while assigning GL accounts to the
ERL
part of account, what kind of factors we need to consider?
ERL, ERF, and ERB. So we need to link this account keys to respect to real account in OBBG in VKY. Sorry, VKY.
Okay, so tell me what is the difference between KYFI and KYFK condition?
So the main difference between KYF and KYFK is with CO, without CO, sir.
Okay, what with CO and without CO? What exactly mean that?
Whenever we are whenever we are activating the controlling, so in such case we'll use KYFI, sir.
Okay.
If we're not activating controlling, so we'll use KYFK.
Controlling means what kind of modules are required to activate?
Cost element, cost center, profit center, internal order, etc.
Okay. So, shall I assign sales organization to company code or plant? Which one is correct?
So could you repeat? Pardon, yes.
So I want to assign sales organization to plant or company code. So which one is correct? Which statement is correct? Shall I assign sales organization to company code? Shall I assign sales organization to plant?
So we need to assign plant, sir.
Not company code?
Not company code.
Okay. Okay, so tell me, like how the account determination will be happened in OBYC? Like, what kind of factors we need to consider while assigning the GL accounts?
Chart of account, sales organization, account assignment group for customers.
No. I'm asking, you're saying wrong. Okay, so I'm asking OBYC, you're telling VKY.
Sorry. ERF, ERL, and ERS. ERD.
No, that is in SAP SD, FID SD. I'm asking OBYC one.
Okay, sorry. Valuation class and valuation modifier, general modifier.
So tell me some important movement types.
Movement types are goods receipt, goods issued to the production, and goods issued to the customer, scrapping of goods, initial of product stocks.
Okay, for goods consumption, so what is the transaction key?
Transaction key.
What is the transaction key for goods consumption?
Goods consumption, PK.
For consumption, what is the consumption transaction key?
Okay, just a moment. I'm not recalling at the moment. OBSS.
No. See, what is transaction keys? Tell me some important some transaction keys in FITMM.
BSX, WRX.
Okay.
And GBB, PRD.
Okay.
So these are.
See, I maintain Metal Master moving average price 100 rupees. Okay, so moving average price is 100 rupees in Metal Master, and purchase order price is 110 rupees. So now tell me, what is the entry for goods receipt?
Goods receipt.
See, I maintained in Metal Master 100 rupees, in purchase order 110 rupees. Okay. So now tell me, what is the entry? Moving average price I maintained in the 100 rupees. Quantity is 100. Okay, so purchase order quantity is 100. So
Okay.
the amount is 110. So tell me goods receipt entry.
Yes, sir. I'm not recalling.
Okay. What is the purpose of the GRIR clearing?
Okay. Sir, VRIR account is a temporary account, sir. So whenever first first we receive the invoice, and for the first time sometimes we receive the later goods. So there is a time that between these two aspects. In such case, we create one temporary account that is known as VRIR clearing account. The next day will the next day it will give us this VRIR.
Okay.
So mainly it created FDAS 13 T code FDAS 13.
You need to clear in F-13. What is the difference
Not
between
FDAS
F-13
F.13 F.
F.13 and F-03? What is the difference between these two?
Sorry, sir, I'm not recalling. F.13 is for creating of gear airplane.
But what about F-03?
Sorry, I'm not recalling, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So have you involved IDOC configurations?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is meant by port?
So port is nothing but to send data from one source into target source.
Okay. RFC destination should be configured in port. Is the statement is correct or incorrect?
Destination. No, sir. Both are different.
Yes, both are different, but should I include in the port configuration this RFC destination need to configure in port? Is the statement is correct or wrong?
Wrong, sir. Wrong, sir.
Okay. So in partner profile,
Okay.
what kind of messages that we can add for outgoing payment? For
Like
outgoing,
vendor,
for outgoing,
vendor, customer.
for outgoing.
Okay.
I'm asking outgoing. What kind of message types we can add for vendor for outgoing IDOC?
Cremas, sir. Cremas.
Cremas.
CREMAS. Cremas.
Yeah, fine. Next.
For
Only
customer
Cremas
debmos. For
for customer. Only for vendor.
customer debmos for material matmos.
Okay, that's one. For vendor case, what kind of message? I'm asking only for vendor.
Cremas, sir. Cremas.
Purchase orders, right? Cremas and purchase orders. Orders. Okay.
Orders. Orders.
Okay. Okay. So where can I see the
ORDRS.
So can you hear me? Is my voice is audible?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So I want to see the IDOC status. Okay. So which T code generally use?
W02, sir.
Okay. In W02.
S3 you can see in the status records.
Okay. So in control records, what kind of fields that we can see?
Control records consist of like mainly sender and recipient information, sir.
Sender under? What kind of sender?
Recipient.
Port or any other?
Control records, sir. I'm telling you, control records. And partner and port details like partner details like partner role, partner type, partner number, etc.
Okay. Okay. So for sending partner details from one logical system to another logical system. So for vendor case, message type is 3 months. So which T code generally use?
W20.
Which T code?
W20.
Transferring the data from one source system to another, one logical system to another logical system. The case is vendor case. So what is the T code?
Okay. W20. W20.
No. Okay. Okay, fine. So tell me, what is the zero balance fitting?
Sorry, sir. Could you repeat me?
What is the zero balance fitting?
So this is a part of document splitting, sir. There are three types of splitting are there: active, passive, and zero balance splitting.
Okay.
This is the last one of document splitting.
Yeah, that's
whenever the debit and credit balance is not.
Okay.
Yes, sir, tell me, sir.
Okay, how this zero balance GL account should be created?
Whenever debit credit balance is not equal, so in such case we'll create this zero balance account splitting.
Okay, fine. In FS in FS 00, how this GL account should be created? What are the fields we need to make it mandate?
Okay, open item management, sir, mainly.
Okay.
And the rest of things all are same. Mainly, so we need to activate open item management in FS 00.
Shall I post the transaction with the zero balance account manually?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. This is the end of the interview. Okay, so we'll discuss about the status right now with our team. Okay, guys, tell me how this interview is. Give your insights. Like, is this interview tough or easy? Which mode? Anyone? Easy. Ravindra. Okay, say something, man. Royal, you say something about this interview. Royal.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Just give
yes, sir. Yes, sir. But the questions like it look like a real time most of the cases when I observed, and the presentation was good, but I can see there was some kind of nervous while, but he's delivering in right way, but it's taking some time. But when I observe the most of the cases only real time only, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
What about Reddy? Malaka? Yeah.
Sir, it was like easy only, but coming to IDOCs, the partner profile and in coming to integration between FIMMD structures are there. Actually, we discussed that things in previous classes.
Okay. What about Ram Reddy? Ram Reddy. Parthasarathi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
I just now entered the class, sir, but the questions are which you are explaining that one.
Okay, you are on mute right now. Yeah, you are saying something.
Yes, sir. But it will be difficult only, sir, for me.
Okay, for you it is difficult. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What about Sarathi?
Sir, what about the question you have asked that is related to our classes, which has already been discussed?
Okay.
And coming to the answering part, yes, he is very much confident, but he need to prepare again. Means the answers are not up to the mark. But he need to prepare more on that.
Correct. Exactly. Exactly. Okay. See, the first and foremost thing I observed, So he was lacking confidence while explaining the things. He was a little bit confused, like for differentiate between OBYC settings and VKOS settings. So when I ask about VKOS settings, he is telling about OBYC settings. Okay, that 2 pointers I noticed. Okay, that need to be correct. It's happened for general case because you guys are recently taken training. You don't have such experience and you never attended any interviews. This is happened. So that is the reason. So we are taking mock test and we are giving confidence over here and just find out your problems and giving solutions at the spot time. So you people getting the idea, right? So he is making a mistake. So next time I don't want to make this mistake. So like that, so people are learning here. So this is a very fantastic platform to learn and showcase your skill set to the interview. Of course, whatever things you are making mistakes over here, the same will be corrected in the future. Okay, but I suggest everyone so to watch number of mock tests they available in my YouTube channel. You check with SAP FICO mock test by Chanu SK. So many mock tests are there. So once you watch out number of mock tests, then you come to know reality. So how the interview will ask you the questions. Okay, so I'm asking only subject related. I'm not going into the depth. But in real time, so they will ask you scenario based questions. So that time you will definitely stuck. Okay, and going forward, I will ask you the scenario based questions. But here in this part, FI2MM, FI2SD, not that much scenarios. Okay, like so basic things are there. Like account determination part, we will participate morely. And regarding some other aspects, like as for HANA or P2P, F110. So that time there are more scenarios we have. That we will discuss those things in sessions. Okay. So anyhow, very nice explanation. Explanation is okay, but you need some more confidence and need some more clarity while explaining the things. Okay. That's enough from my side.
Okay, sir. Thank you.